In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own photos as a slide background in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, personalizing your slides with your own images is a creative and effective way to make your presentation stand out. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure that you have the specific presentation you want to edit ready to go. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new presentation by selecting New from the File menu. Now, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to modify. Keep in mind that you can apply this method to one slide or multiple slides, depending on your presentation needs. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a tab labeled Design. Click on it and you'll see a suite of options for customizing the look and feel of your slides. These options allow you to stylize your presentation, making it visually appealing. Within the Design tab, look for the option labeled Format Background. This is typically located on the right side of the toolbar. Click on Format Background and it will open up a sidebar on the right hand side of your screen. This sidebar contains all the tools you need for background customization. In the Format Background sidebar, you'll see several fill options. Select the option for picture or texture fill. This choice tells PowerPoint that you intend to use an image or texture as your slide background. Once selected, additional options become available for inserting your own photos. Now click on the Insert button within this sidebar. Doing so presents you with a few choices for adding an image. For our purposes, choose from a file. This option allows you to upload a photo that's already saved on your computer. At this point, your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to search for the perfect photo. Navigate through your file directory to find the image you'd like to use. Choose that image and click Insert. PowerPoint will then apply your selected image as the background for the slide you're working on. And there you have it. You've successfully set a custom photo as your slide background in PowerPoint. Feel free to repeat these steps if you want to add different images to other slides. Personalizing your presentations with unique images not only draws in your audience's attention, but also gives your presentation a cohesive and professional look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great PowerPoint tips. Until next time, happy presenting.